another Taiwan video. We are day 2 and I feel like we're starting it perfectly. We have teamed up with Like It Formosa and they are starting the tours in Taiwan strong with a food tour. We are in one of the most iconic food streets to kick off the tour. Little Theodora's Find a Fact. Like It Formosa. We were like, what is this name from? Turns out, Like It means go to in Taiwanese. Formosa is a nickname for Taiwan that the Portuguese gave to Taiwan. So go to Taiwan. We haven't had anything to eat yet, so we're super excited to find out and learn all about the Taiwanese cuisine. It's tailored to our dietary requirements, so there won't be any meat, but plenty of food, seafood, Lord knows what else. So I think we should get going, get tasting, and get learning. I'm excited, can you tell? Let's go! So we're starting off in a traditional Dongmen market. Turns out that the mayor of Taipei said, if you want to know someone's place, check out the toilet. If you want to know a city, check out the traditional market, and that's what we're doing first. We're starting off with fruits because this is a subtropical climate here in Taiwan. They grow the most amazing, exquisite, exotic fruits. So we're going to sample some of them. Do you want one more Theodora's Finest Fact? This is an apple. Now, this would not be a good option to give to as an offering in the temple because it's hollow. So it would mean that you would lose some of your fortune from this hole. Whereas if you were to give this apple, that would be a better option. We're going to be trying this, but Taiwan is actually famous for its stinky tofu, aka fermented tofu. Now this owner right here ferments the tofu instead of with seafood, with vegetables and fruits. So this is real fresh and tasty.
Okay, so we've come to our first restaurant and we're first going to try the fruit that we got at the market. So I'm really interested to taste the Bad Omen wax apple. That's fresh, really like watery, but really fresh. Guys, the cabinet behind us is full of epic little dishes, so I'm not sure if we're trying them, but our first one up is vegetable and fungi dumplings. Theodora loves dumplings, so I think this is right up her sleeve. Right up her alley, even. And then here you've got the meat option, which is pork and shredded radish.
Usually, of course, we eat the dumpling dipping the sauce, right?
Yeah.
But here in this restaurant, they provide their secret recipe about the proportion of the sauce.
Oh.
Yeah. 7 for the soy sauce.
Yeah. Okay.
And 3 for the vinegar.
Vinegar.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then 1 for sesame oil, just like 1 or 2 drops.
Okay.
Yeah, so 7, 3, and 1.
And this is what I love about food tours. We have just learned how to make the super traditional, authentic dipping sauce for dumplings. So, and we would never know. We come here, I wouldn't know what to order, wouldn't know how to do what, and now we're learning it all the proper authentic way. Authentic way of northern China, by the way. How cool.
Usually
Might have been the best dumpling I've ever had. The dumpling sauce, I'm so glad I know the secret recipe because that was delicious. Inside is actually also rice noodles and dried tofu. And for a veggie dumpling, it's so good. I'm loving life, loving life.
Okay, that dumpling was the best dumpling I've ever had. I'm not usually a dumpling lover, but that was epic. Now we're going on to one of the most iconic things that you can get while you're in Taiwan. Babe, what is it?
Bubble tea!
She does all these singing sometimes, and what she said was bubble tea. Guys, we're not coffee lovers. Whenever people get coffee, we basically get bubble tea. So we've come to the right place.
Yes, but Theodora's finding the fact. Guess where bubble tea originates from? Who created it? Who made it?
Who
came up with this amazing idea?
Who?
Taiwan!
That's what I just said.
Oh, did you already? First bubble tea of the day, and how cool is this carry container?
So I actually tried milk bubble tea yesterday, and I wasn't a massive fan of it because of the milk. It's too much like an English tea. However, they do have a fruit tea, and this has got like passion fruit inside, and orange, and apple. Oh, it's good. Straw in.
Taste test.
Oh, that's lovely.
Oh, let me try. Is it?
It's got loads of fruit bits. Oh my god.
That is insane.
My best new drink.
Oh my god. That's a strong contender. That might be a
so
new
much
bubble
better than milk bubble tea.
Okay. Okay, in my hand is the scallion pancake, aka spring onion pancake.
And you've just seen a shot. They were doing it on the corner. They were just like flipping it and slipping it and selling it.
It looks awesome. Now, this you will find on any street food market. However, the real deal is from this shop. We don't know why yet. Our tour guide is going to explain in a minute. But this is originally from Tianjin, China, and a Taiwanese merchant went over to China to do business. He tasted these pancakes and thought, whoa, this is amazing. I'm gonna learn how to make them and take them back to Taiwan. Then they spread around Taiwan, they were a hit. Now it's kind of like a Taiwanese delicacy. Then someone from China tasted these pancakes and like, whoa, these Taiwanese pancakes are another level. I'm taking them back to China. So it's like, whoop, 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 whoop. You can go ahead and taste now.
Quite thick.
This is delicious though. I can understand why someone would want to bring it back and then bring it back home again. Okay, so New York Times awarded this pancake place on the corner as the best pancake place in Asia, not just Taiwan. Secret reason why? Is because, as you saw from the clips that Graham filmed, they beat it. And that's why there's more fluff and almost like layers of pancake. And that's what we tasted. That's why it's so fluffy. Now, that shop does so well and is so busy that if you were to pile up all the pancakes they sell in a year, it would be 39101, aka the tallest building in Taiwan. 39 of them. Just imagine that. We are trying a real staple here. This is brown vermicelli soup. Now, it can be served with intestines, which is Kay is gonna try, but obviously we don't eat meat. But if you were to order this soup, for example, on the seaside, they would put oysters in or some other stuff. So we're gonna try this. The color of the vermicelli is brown because it was basically left in the sun to dry. So that's where the color comes from. I'm gonna have a taste now. So the texture is kind of scary, like it feels really thick and like almost a bit slimy, but it's actually yummy. It's like almost like a gravy. I'm kind of digging it.
So here we've got a bowl of udon, and here we've got pig blood cake, which is interesting. And we've got a big piece of radish here and fishball, right? And usually these are soup items, but here they kind of eat them either on their own, or you can get a bowl of soup added to the side. And then yeah, let's go for it.
That's real fishy. Yeah, I mean, not bad. You might like that, Graham. Taste of peanut. That's nice. So that's the beauty of doing a tour. I would never know what to order. I would have never ordered it. And I probably wouldn't order it again, even though I'm glad I tried it. It wasn't really to my taste, but that's the beauty of it. We're still in Yongkan, and this is one of my favorite neighborhoods. It's really hipstery and funky. There's a whole history of why that came about, but I won't go into that because you have to take the tour yourself. But what I will go into is while Graham was scaring off the pigeons, I've been listening and I've been learning some amazing facts, which I will now claim as the Theodora's finest facts. Behind me, there is a building in scaffolding. Now, actually, this is one of the 7 places where Gucci puts artwork on buildings. This was the 6th place in the world where Gucci puts artwork. Now, how they painted it is they actually hired the one only left master who used to paint all the cinema movie posters. He painted this artwork, and they're working on a new one right now, so we don't know what it's gonna be.
Okay, do not park your bike in the wrong area, guys, because this guy is getting a parking fine. He's taking pictures, he's writing a ticket. This guy is not going to be happy when he comes back.
We are in the place that is the current this year's beef noodle soup competition winner. This place won the best noodle soup, and we got the winner soup right here. One interesting thing about this version of the beef noodle soup is that instead of bean sauce, it's made of a base of tomato, which makes it a lot fresher and a lot lighter.
Luckily for me, I read Chinese. Obviously you read from the bottom to the side. I think I'll have one of them, one of them, one of them. Obviously you would usually have the beef, but we've got this on the side because obviously we don't eat meat. But first, try the juice. Oh, that's nice. That you can really taste the tomato. Look how thick the noodles are. That's my kind of noodle. That's really awesome. Oh.
Is it?
Yeah. The tomato-y base. Love it.
Oh, the broth is really good. That's really good. I can imagine when you're ill, this is what you want.
Okay, finally for dessert, we've got mango shaved ice cream with a mango and taro. And for those of you that don't know what taro is, it's kind of like a root potato. Kind of similar to sweet potato, but not really. Right, we all ready?
Oh, okay.
Let's go for it. Oh wow.
Is it?
That's nice, right? Obviously mango ice cream is epic anyway. And this is like, it's almost like jackfruit when it's shredded. That's what it looks like, look.
Oh my god, that's yum. Oh, that's actual yum. Oh, yeah, I can get with that.
Okay, that dessert was a legend. And if you look behind me, that is where we got the pancake from. And the queue is getting bigger and bigger.
Obviously, it's Halloween.
Smell my feet, give me something good to eat. If you don't, I don't care. I hold down
Okay, the one thing I'm liking about Taiwan already is the food. And basically, obviously we're pescatarian, we don't eat that much meat, or don't eat any meat actually. However, most of the dishes here, you can get like a vegetarian kind of vegetable option. A lot of other Asian countries don't have it that easy for us with food. So yeah, Taiwan is ticking a lot of boxes for me.